Yes. So guys, this is another one. So guys, this is the shop that we are going to get in, and yeah, and you're coming along, yeah?
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find some.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm here at Dubois, as you can see. I've come to show you where to get your your undergarments, clothes, or what can I say? Yeah, so where you can get your bras, your hot pants, and all those good stuff. So I'm here at Dubois. I'll be showing you the shop in just a few, and as you can see, beautiful stuff. So if you would want to know where to get good bras and even corsets, you see, continue watching. I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, like it, and share it to your friends. Okay, enjoy the video. Oh, so guys, the shop is located opposite Christina Hotel. Then you get in, it's like a stall. Then I'm giving direction. Store number 4. I don't know if you can see. Store number 4. So we are getting in to talk with the owner. So the first thing you see when you get into the shop are these amazing. There are panties and laced. And there's also this corset that I will show you in a while. And then yeah, there's different undergarments like panties. I don't like saying that name. And then on this side there's the beachwear, like the swimming costume. We have it's like a twin, and then they have different colors. And there's this lace. This is what? Oh, this is called body stocking, and this is a bodycon. You can wear it as a top. There's this amazing bodycon, and this one, there's this amazing. it's a role play, and then there's this matching. They are called matching what? Oh, the sets. Yeah, they are very beautiful, by the way. Their sets, and she'll be telling how much they go for. And then on my side they have an offer. You see this amazing set, you can wear it maybe when you're relaxing in the house, and yeah, there's this, and they have variety of colors. And there's this one, and there's this blue one. Yeah, so we'll be talking with her in a while so that she can tell us. This is the owner, by the way. This is the owner of the shop, and let me just give her time to explain to you where the shop is located. Okay,
hey guys, hi, I'm Regina. Our location is we are in Dubois, Bismarck Exhibition, shop number 4. So we sell panties, all types of panties. If you like thongs, if you want cotton ones, laced ones, seamless, whatever you want. If you like swimwears, lingeries, lingeries, we do have. We sell even the strapless bras, the stick-on
wow,
bras.
Can we see this? Can you unbox? You see? Or you can't unbox?
Yeah, the silicone bras.
How much is this?
We do this at 700.
So it is being.
You just stick it on when you're wearing a shoulder, on a backless dress, or a gown. Yeah.
Zinafanya. A nude, naweza taka hata nude ni poa.
Hizi ni zile push-ups.
Kai sita nini huko? Sasa sipendi. Hii ukiondoa hii ya green So hii ni how much?
Hizo ni for 50.
So guys, this is another one. Meita decap. A decap. So this is a shapewear.
Yeah, that's a full set. A full set.
A full set.
Yeah. A full set.
It has sizes.
Yeah, it has.
Where it finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be.
So guys, this is the end results. So if you want that, if you are looking for any shapewear, come to Dubois. I'll leave her contact here on the description box. You can call her and she will hook you up with this amazing corset, and it's affordable. It's 3,500. It's 3,500. How do I look?
Your love, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now.
It's clear so you can't say anything. Wow, this is amazing.
Unaona hiyo sio huwa wanavaa. Hii pia unaweza buy kwa strapless. Unaona mpaka iko na silicone down, so ina hold. Hiyo price pia huwa.
Oh, unatoa hii.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't.
Guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you want to come to Dubois to shop for the bras and the hot pants and the corset, it's opposite Christina Hotel. The building is called Christina Hotel 2006, and then you opposite, you come to this store where they are selling all these undergarments. Then the store is number 4. So remember to like this video, comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. Come shop all this. They have so much variety, they have so many colors, and yeah, come and shop to this at this place. So until next time, bye bye. Comment, like and share this video. Bye.